you have to points in card. Functions and scroll points in card allows you to divide a site into navigatable areas, creating a multi-page experience on a single page. Now to use and create sections and scroll points, all you have to do is to add a section break on your site. So to do that, all you have to do is to go to this pencil icon right here to edit the specific site that you have. Once you're on your site, all you have to do is to tap on this plus icon right here and look for the pound icon which has control on its name. So you just have to click on this and look for the type and set the type for section break. Now you just have to scroll down and name your section right here and use the section's break's name as a hash prefix link in other elements to create navigation. Similarly, to create scroll points, all you have to do is to click the plus button and then select control and locate the type on your control settings. So you just have to click again on the type and you will be able to see on the lowest part the scroll point. You just have to click on that and name the scroll point by giving it a descriptive name to link it to other URLs right here. Just position the scroll points right here or anywhere else on your site and link the scroll points using the hash prefix link in other element. And now you have successfully used sections and scroll points in card. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.